Hello, everyone. Today we will learn how to insert a watermark in Excel. Let's begin. We have our data, but it feels incomplete without a watermark. Navigate to the Insert tab and click on Header and Footer in the Text section. As you click on Header and Footer, you'll notice two changes in your file: the appearance of the header and footer and a switch to the page layout view. In the Header section, you'll find three boxes. Click on the second box. A new tab named Design will appear for the header. Go to Picture and click on it to insert a picture from your computer. Double-click on the desired picture, and it will appear in the header box. But show with ampersand and picture in bracket. Now we click on Anywhere rather than that cell. We have a picture as a watermark. The picture might be too large, so resize it by going to Format Picture. Here we can resize it in inches as well as in percentage. Choose which you think it's easy and best for you. So adjust the size, for example, set it to 50%. Press OK. Here we have watermark in small size. To position the watermark in the middle of the sheet, or where you feel better, add more space before it in the same header box. To adjust the brightness and contrast, go to Format Picture, then select the desired options or customize them according to your preference. For example, choosing Washout can make the watermark appear subtle. Now, your watermark is ready. Similarly, you can add text as a watermark. Go to any box of header and type text after ampersand and bracket. Now we click on Anywhere rather than that cell. We have that particular text as a watermark. Give space before it to adjust the text watermark where you want. Go to Home tab for changing the font and size of it. Here we have text in black color, which is more prominent rather than our data, so we need to lighter it. For this purpose, we will change the color of the font. When you come to normal view, the watermark will not show in your work, but when you go to print that file. In the print preview, you can easily see the watermark. It means that watermark will come when you print that file.